Hey guys, welcome to a new video on NailPossible. Today I'm gonna show you some stamping polishes I received from Born Pretty store, and we're gonna make a quick design with them. These are neon stamping polishes. I got to pick 5 of them, but if I recall correctly, there's 8 colors total. These are the ones I chose. The shades are Carry On, Be Lost, Look Back, Wondering, and ууWall. They come completely sealed in their box as always. And there's the info of the polish, which you can also find at the bottom of the bottle. Not all of it, but the important info, I guess. I have them out of the packaging now, and all these colors look really neon except for this one. The orange one looked almost like a coral on the website. It definitely didn't look neon to me. While I was recording, it also looked coral on the display. But as I was editing, the color looked pretty close to what I was seeing in real life. This one, on the other hand, didn't deceive anyone. It looked straight up neon, and it looked like that on the website also. I'm gonna swatch them really quickly on top of white and black in case you were wondering about that. So let's begin with Carry On. It looks like a highlighter over white. And over black it's a bit sheer, but looks pretty good for a neon. Let's move on to Be Lost. This is the orange neon. It looks pretty good over white as expected, and over black again pretty good. Now let's take a look at the pink. This one's Look Back. It works well over white, and it's pretty decent over black too. This next one is Wondering, and I don't know what color this is, like an orangey pink. Over white it looks kind of pink, but what a letdown over black. It gets pretty much lost. I don't know if you noticed before, but on the bottle it looks kind of weird, like gloopy. I don't know if it's the shade or if I got a faulty one, but none of the others look like they have this consistency. And now for the last one, which is ууWall. This is almost like a lilac. Over white it looks more pink, but over black I think it looks a bit lilac. Okay, so now that we swatched everything, let's move on to the design. As always, we start with the base coat. For the base, I'm going to apply the white polish. Neon colors need a white base, so they show up neon, so that's why we're using white as a base. We clean up. And I thought this tropical punch plate that I also received from Born Pretty store a while ago would go perfect with these colors. First, we're gonna make a gradient using the zigzag image and 3 of the polishes. We blend them really well with the scraper. And we're going to stamp this gradient on 2 nails. Well, 3 actually, the thumb too. And on the rest of the nails, we're going to stamp the leaves on the plate using all the colors randomly. Once we're done, we clean up any residue. And we apply a top coat to protect the design. We now have our neon design. What do you guys think? If you're looking for neon stamping polishes, these are pretty good. I'm just wondering if I got a faulty one, or if this color is like that. But I will say that I really did enjoy how these polishes blend with one another. The gradients look really nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!